Here's how you can record a voice and a screen at the same time on the iPhone. So let me show you the option that we have available. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you'll never miss anything important. Well, of course, you can open up your control center and find the screen recording toggle. If you don't have it, just click on the plus button, add a control, and from the list and from all of the toggles, add the screen recording there. Okay, so that's nice. You probably already have it, but the important part is that you don't just click on it to start right away, but instead you hold down on it for more options to appear. And there you should most definitely see the microphone as well. And with that, you'll be able to enable the microphone. So it not only captures what's going on the screen, but also your voice, right? So you can speak over it and it will be captured at the same time, put all together in one video. So that's kind of how we can record voice and a screen at the same time on the iPhone. But even if you already captured the video previously, you can still add the voiceover and later through video editors like CapCut, where you can add the audio and record it directly into the app, right? So we can basically just talk about the video and it will be like put it together into the clip, right? So yeah, that's another very cool option, especially for the clips which are already captured and you just want to add the voice to them. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. Subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.